What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to put the sliding screen door back in the track. So let's start it. So we have a two adjustable screw in the bottom for the two wheel in the bottom, and also we have a two adjustable screw in the top for the two wheel on the top, so we can adjust all four wheel. So I'm gonna show you one of the wheel on here. So I'm gonna lift this up and you're gonna see the wheel. That wheel is already adjusted, so it's going all the way in. So before you put that in, you have to adjust that, so to make sure this one go all the way in. So you have to unclockwise lose that screw, so to make sure the wheel all the way going. So I did that one, and I do that one, and after that, so we're gonna do the top one. So we're gonna slide the bottom one first, and the top one, you can see here, is not going all the way in, so I have to lose it a little unclockwise, so to make sure that the wheel is going inside, so I can put it in the track. So now you see it's going in all the way. So I'm gonna put that in the track like this, and I'm gonna do the other side as well. And after that, you have to adjust it again to make sure everything is on the track and smooth. All right.